Welcome to Beauty Extras. I'm Chris Dale, and today I'm just gonna show you real quick how I like to clean up headlights.
How are we gonna do it?
I'm gonna polish it. All right, the headlights look, well, not brand new. They look good enough for me. They look way better than they did, so I'm pretty happy with it. I can't wait for this car to be painted and finished. I can put these puppies on. I hope you enjoyed that little video of me sanding and polishing headlights. See you in the next one. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.